Hello and welcome to the daily Forex report for October 19th. We're looking at the US Japanese yen pair first. This pair did close down for the session, created an inside bar, moving sideways. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 77.16, possibly as low as 76.32. Look for some resistance around 77 and 77.00 and look for some support around 76.50. Now the Euro-USD pair, this pair had a pretty large range, did pull back significantly prior to the close. Closed up though, we are looking for it to potentially go as high as 139.48, possibly as low as 135.88. Look for some resistance around 139.15 and look for some support around 136.50. Now the pound US dollar pair, there we go. This pair closed up. It did move right up to previous resistance before pulling back. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 159.13, possibly as low as 156.12. Look for some resistance around 158.50 and look for some support around 156.90. Now the US Swiss, this pair closed higher. It did create an inside bar. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 0.9144, possibly as low as 0.8884. Look for some resistance around 0.9050 and look for some support around 0.8935. Now, as far as news announcements go, we have the German producer's price for September being released at 2 a.m. Eastern tomorrow. 2 a.m. Eastern tomorrow. And that, of course, will affect the euro. Consensus is that it's held at 5.5%. Okay, well, let's take a look at kind of what I'm looking at during this next session. We have potentially a couple of trades. We have an inside bar here that was created in the US Japanese yen pair. If we get a breakout to it to the downside, we have pretty strong area of support there. However, if we move to the upside, we do have some room for potential profit. The first real area of significant support is about 10 pips up from the 76.90 up to the 77.06 mark. Of course, that's 16 pips, but you got to worry about the 0.0 level. So keep that in mind if you take that buy. Now, looking at the Euro-USD pair, we have a swing trade opportunity that's been created over the past 3 sessions. So if the market moves up to that point, I will be looking to buy and then look for it to move on up basically to this high. Just grab that sliver there. It's roughly about 62 pips, so it's a pretty decent trade. As far as the number of pips, it's not just a quick scalp. Looking to buy in around the 138.47 mark and exit around 139.10. However, here again, you have another 0.0 level that you need to be concerned with. So maybe grabbing 50 out of that would be more prudent. Excuse me. Now, looking at the pound US dollar pair, this pair has created a swing trade opportunity as well. Basically, we're sitting at the same area of resistance with this move as we were last time when we had our inside bar day. Let me zoom back in. So basically what we're looking for is to grab about 70 pips off that, looking to enter around 158.47 and then exiting around 159.16. Well, hope that helps, and until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.